Hello, I'm Brian from Transquip, and this time I'm going to speak to you about some common questions we get about speed humps. Traffic management is a vital part of health and safety management. If there is a potential for vehicles to drive too fast, which could cause damage to other vehicles, property or pedestrians, then speed bumps are a very useful tool to slow the traffic down. Installed speed humps give your vehicle's drivers, head and neck a good jolt, especially when exceeding the speed limit prescribed for the site. This is usually very slow at say 10 kilometers per hour or even down to 5 kilometers per hour. Are there different types of speed humps? Yes. Rubber molded is what we have here now, which are manufactured in various lengths and can be taken up and moved if required. Lengths are 1.65 metres to 1.83, and they also have a rubber cap that goes on the end if you're in a situation where it is meant to look tidier. The other type of speed hump is either moulded asphalt or concrete laid on the road surface by contractors, often while they are forming the road surface. These are more permanent and harder to install and need professional contractors to lay and form while the road is closed. They will last many years and very permanent. How to hold rubber speed bumps down. By using a straight steel pin of about 12mm diameter made with a flanged head, they are driven into asphalt surfaces with a heavy steel hammer to a depth of about 250mm. The job can be made easier by drilling into the hard surface material to give the pin a start, so it's easier to hammer in and makes the laying of the speed hump more accurate. If you have to remove and change the position of the humps, you can drill off the flange head, take the hump off the pins, and either drive the pins into the ground or pull them out. On a concrete surface, it is better to use common Dynabolts. Go by the manufacturer's instructions for the depth of hole which you need, and make sure that the installed Titan Dynabolt is well below the top surface of the speed hump so that the vehicle's tyres cannot be damaged. Is it a good idea to use more than one speed bump to control traffic speed? Every site or situation needs assessing for its distinct needs. Various factors such as the amount and type of traffic, the general weather patterns, the road incline or levels, and lighting would all have influence on the choice. As a general rule, two sets of speed humps installed relatively close to each other are far more efficient at slowing down the traffic.